Welcome to the Bridgend Music Service Hub Classroom.
Since March 2020, we have been building online classrooms to support and interact with our pupils, both from home and within the school environment.
We have produced an extensive library of resources for each discipline, including sheet music, piano accompaniment and backing tracks, theory lessons and quizzes, and instructional videos.
This is a video about vibrato, and some of you might be thinking, what even is vibrato?
First of all, get both hands ready, make sure your foot's ready on the pedal, and see if you can put in all the dynamics and everything as well. After 2. 1, 2.
So this is the second video for our Bach A minor concerto for grade 8 violin. This is going to go from bar 24 through to bar 55, and it's just again at that slow practice speed.
Pupils have had the opportunity to interact on the classrooms through discussions with their teacher and fellow students, and have been able to send in videos for feedback.
All of our pupils in the county have had the opportunity to take part in our virtual concerts, and staff have supported schools in their own virtual concerts.
Through such a difficult year, as a music service, we are incredibly proud of the music making that has continued across the county. I would like to thank all pupils, parents and schools for all of your support.